Okay, I'm gonna zoom my camera in for you guys. Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I am just going to be sharing with you guys a burnt orange makeup look. So this would be really good for the fall or like a glam summer look, really any time of the year, but burnt orange kind of reminds me of the fall and we're sort of getting into back to school time. So I'm just going to be doing a burnt orange makeup look. So if you want to see how to get that look, then let's just keep watching. So I'm going to go ahead and put my foundation and my eyebrows and do all that good stuff, and then I'm going to come back when I get that done. Okay, so I've got my foundation on, my contour highlight and all that. So I'm going to go ahead and go into my eyes. So this is the Morphe eyelid primer in the shade Translucent, and I really love this stuff. You just put a little bit on your finger, put that on your lids to make these colors extra vibrant and just give them a little more lasting power. So I'm going to be using the Morphe 35O2 Second Nature palette. Mine looks a little dirty, but she's a gem. Oh, isn't she beautiful? I love Morphe, y'all. So I'm going to begin with the Morphe M441 brush, and it just kind of looks like this. And I'm going to go into the shade Tan, which is this tan color right here. And I'm going to use this as my transition shade and put it all over the lid and kind of buff it out a little bit. Now I'm going to take the Morphe M433 brush, which is more flat but also blendable, and I'm going to take it into, let's see, Rich, which is this light-ish chocolatey brown color right here. I'm going to tap off that excess, and I'm going to put this in my crease and blend and blend and blend. And do the same thing to this eye. I'm going to use my Morphe M513 brush. It's a little dirty because I used it yesterday and I haven't cleaned it yet. We're going to go into this color right here, which is Brunette. And I'm going to get that on there. Go ahead and cover that up. That was underneath it. We're just going to act like my brushes are clean. Yeah, I'm going to make sure I get all that excess off. And I'm going to go into the outer corner and dab it on there and then blend it out. We want to keep this on the outer corner to draw the attention here. We don't want to blend it in too much and make it look like we didn't do anything. I'm going to use this Eco Tools brush just because this one's clean and it's shaped like this, and we're gonna take this super orange, what is it called, a blaze right here. We're gonna dab that on the tip of this brush, swivel it in there, and we're gonna go right here at the top in the crease, and we're gonna warm it up a bit because from where we blended it, it's a little more brown than I'm going for. and we're just gonna make it more warm up here. You see the vibe we're feeling? Just going over that brown that we had going on. I'm gonna take my beauty blender. It's not a beauty blender, it's a Morphe sponge. And I'm gonna drag this out to make a straighter line. Kind of clean it up because we're gonna add a wing when we're done. So now I'm gonna break out the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. We're gonna take the Morphe M213 brush, which is this little teeny thing right here. We're gonna take the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and we're gonna wet this brush. We are going to dip into, we're gonna dip into Chocolate Gold right here. This formula, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, is so great. It is like super buttery. I don't even know how to explain it. Too Faced has a really bomb formula. And we're gonna go in like so. We're gonna go into Gold Dipped, which is this one right here, and we're gonna cover that up with this pretty gold color, just like we did with the orange. And what it does is it kind of creates a color in itself, like it combines the two colors together and shines through. So now that that's done, I'm gonna go back in with the Morphe 433 brush. I'm gonna go back into that brunette color and the Morphe palette and deepen this outer corner. I'm going to use my Physicians Formula Eye Booster Eyeliner Plus Serum in the shade Black. And just going to line my eyes. Don't you tell me my battery is about to die. I am about to freak out. So now I'm going with my L'Oreal Infallible Eyeliner Pencil. And I like to go into this part of my eyelid and color it in black. And do this part as well. Just a little bit. Curl my eyelashes. Where normal people would add false eyelashes, and I would if I was trying to be super glam, which I very rarely wear false eyelashes, but honestly have no time left. Need to be at work in 30 minutes and I still have to do my hair and my clothes. So we're gonna conclude this look and we're gonna end it here. So this is the finished look and I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me scroll though. Obviously, I'm going to add some lipstick and stuff, but for the eye part, this is it. I hope you guys give this video a thumbs up and click that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to stay tuned for future videos. Bye, guys.